Make an unboxing and we will talk as we unbox this product. You can use up to 100 fingerprints. So if it's an office door, for example, every employee can use up to 100 fingerprint scan, and it's something WELOCK says that it can have a possibility of free fingerprints administrators. Okay, so guys, inside, very briefly, because we're not putting accent on the unboxing, we have a manual, we have the cards, 3 cards of access, inside a box with 2 screws. You will need them when you unscrew this door lock, and some keys inside, keys for unscrewing those screws, not actually keys that you will use to unlock your door, because physically keys you will not have. So this is the lock, guys. I think it's interesting because you will mount it so easily. You can just remove this cylinder, put it into your door. It's a simple operation. You will need to feed it with 3 batteries type 3A, and then set your fingerprint, set your cards, and you're good to go. It's IP44 water resistant. You can use it even outside. I think in rain you will not have problems with it. And it has an electrostatic protection up to 30,000 volts. Guys, this is the